Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I want to show you how to trigger the muster report to be sent via email based on an action from a monitoring page. Okay, this can be very useful because obviously if there's an emergency and everybody, including yourself, needs to be evacuated from a building, when you're outside, let's say with your phone or tablet, via a web browser or the mobile app, you may want to be able to actually trigger the muster report so you can receive it and get the list of users are still inside the building for evacuation purposes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create the event filter and the send email action based on the muster report we have created in the previous video. Okay, so if you're interested in knowing how to create a muster report, look at the playlist, and then you'll find that video from our YouTube channel. Let's have a look at how we can program this email muster report based on event. So from the home page, the first step is to create an event filter that will basically just grab the events that we're looking for. So in this example, I'm going to use the output activation of a specific output to trigger the send email action for the muster report. Okay, so we do this from events, event filters. Okay, here I have my muster trigger event filter, and basically what I did is I took all output events that were the activation events, so like the output on, by operator, any kind of functions. Basically, every time this output turns on, no matter how it was turned on, I will get the muster report via email. Okay, so that's the first step. Just grab the output on events, and then under records, you see here we have the virtual output that will trigger the action of sending an email. Okay, so that's step number one. Then under events and event filters, okay, here I have the one for muster trigger, so it's in the list. Next step, under events and actions, we have the send muster action. So the first thing, obviously, we put the name. The type will be send muster report by email. The event filter is called muster trigger. That's the event filter we created in the previous step. Okay, and obviously here we put the email address of the recipient. All right, and we select the muster report that's going to be sent. So different employees or operators in the system can have a different muster report. If I'm the manager of the plant, I'm going to get the list of users are still in the plant. If I'm the manager of, let's say, the offices, then I'm going to get the office's muster report. But basically, you can send an email to a user or a group, like an email group, like support@inaxsys.com, for instance. Okay, so again, email address, muster report. So basically, what's going to happen in this example, we did a floor plan with that link on it, or the output activation. Okay, all right. So here, when I go like that and I activate the output, then the system is working in the background, and I'm going to receive, the file that is basically the muster report with the list of users that are in the system. Okay, so in other words, from here, basically what I'm going to get emailed to my account is this exact same list. So basically like that. So you have the user's name, the last door that was used, so you can locate the person approximately where he is in the plant or in the building, and then you have the in status, because I chose to have just the users that are in. I don't need to know who's out of the building. The urgency is to find out who's inside the building. Okay, so that was basically how we can trigger an action to send a muster report via email. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, ask any questions you may have, we'll reply quickly. All right, and obviously Inaxsys is the proud Canadian distributor of ICT products. If you need help with a quote or you want to have a demonstration on the product, please contact our sales team. And if you need support and you're one of our clients, please contact our support team. We're ready to help you. We even connect remotely and do the programming steps with you on the phone, and then you know exactly how you can do it the next time. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.